All right, we're back at the Everything Gotta Go giveaway pile, and for this giveaway, we're looking for the JJRC, JJ1, and JJ2. It's a drone. It's not that drone. It is a foldable drone though. Oh, I think this is it. So I reviewed this about 3 years ago, maybe a little bit longer. JJ1 and JJ2. So it is a 2-drone set controlled by 1 controller. Well, I do remember what happened to this one because my 2-drone set turned into 1 drone set. The black one, and I think that's JJ2, just flew away on me. So all I have left is JJ1. So this isn't gonna be a review. If you wanna check out the review I did on it, then right up there, go ahead, click that, and that'll take you right to the review. Because for this video, I just wanna see if it still flies and for how long. Now this is an internal battery, so it does charge through that port there. If it does take a new battery, we're gonna have to tear it apart and put a new battery in. But first off, let's charge it and then see how it does from there. The winner will receive everything you see here, the controller, the drone, the USB charger with some spare propellers inside, and the instruction manual. Okay, so JJ1 is all charged up. Okay, we have flashing, we do up, down, and bind. So let's see if it flies. Ooh, I know this one, well, JJ2 also, but they flew really good. And I did like these. Super quiet. Let's check the speeds. There's 3. Let's check the rolls, the flips. Oh yeah, nice tight flips. Yeah, this was a good one. I remember this one from my review. But we're already in low voltage, which is not good. We've only been in the air for maybe a little over a minute. So this does need a battery replacement. So let's take this back, see what battery is in here, and see if we can find a replacement for it. Well, things did not go as planned for JJ1. There's the battery, it's inside. We're gonna have to do some surgery because JJ1 needs a transplant. So this battery is a 3.7 volt, 200 milliamp hour single cell LiPo. I don't have any other 200 milliamp hour batteries, but I do have a 220. Now it looks a little smaller. That would fit right in there. So I think this is gonna work. So I'm gonna throw this in. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this connector off. I'm gonna cut one at a time, solder them one at a time on there because you don't wanna cut them both off at the same time, unless you wanna see some sparks. Back together, let's turn it on. Oh, we have power and up, down the bind. Let's see if we get a solid light here. Yes, we do. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, the propellers, all the propellers work. Well, I want to charge this up and see what kind of flight time we get out of it. All right, we did the surgery on JJ1. Set it up like this so the front's facing away. That way headless mode works, because we didn't test headless mode when I had it flying in the building there. All I did was flips and speeds, and then it pretty much went into low voltage. Let's take this up and see how long of a flight time we get out of it. Let's test headless mode here. All right, it's beeping. Yep, I'm going left right here. See, doesn't matter which way I go, which way the head's facing. So yeah, headless mode works. No matter which way I go, the direction I push, it goes. So, all right, let's get out of headless mode. And now let's check out one key return. It's the only thing left. Okay, and here it comes. It's coming back. All right. So yeah, everything works on this. So now let's just see how long it flies. Let's do a flip. Yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna fly around in a third rate and see how long I can fly around in a third rate. I'm just gonna cut to when we get low voltage and then we'll see how long it lasts after low voltage. Oh, there it is. I just hit low voltage, so I'll put the time on the screen right now, and that is how long I flew in the third rate until I got the low voltage detection. And we'll just fly it around here a little bit. It probably won't be much longer, and it's just going to lower itself down and shut off, and then that'll be the whole battery, and then I'll put the time on the screen. Oh, here it comes, there it is. That's it. So that was the entire battery, and I'll put the whole flight time right there on the screen. Well, I'd say we did a successful battery transplant. So I'm gonna give this away, and this is gonna be the Everything Gotta Go giveaway number 17. So if you'd like to enter the giveaway, it's quite simple. You just have to be a subscriber from the US, and then comment down below, and your entry, and that's what I'm gonna use to randomly pick the winner. And I'm gonna do my live drawing where I randomly pick the winner of this JJRC H345, and someone's gonna win JJ1. Unfortunately, JJ2 just went for a flight on its own and never came back. So I only have the one out of this set, but it's a good drone. So that'll do it for this video, and thanks for watching, and good luck to everybody who enters.